Deanna here. Welcome back to my channel, Goodness Greenish. It's been an exciting last couple of weeks with Beautycounter. Last week they launched their Lid Glow Cream Shadows. And if you haven't seen my overview and demo on all of the colors, make sure to look through the links below and check it out. Okay, so today we are going to be talking about their brand new launch of their Think Big All-In-One Mascara. I'm really excited to get into it. So let's go. All right, I'm really excited to go over all the details with this new mascara. If you've used our mascaras in the past, you know that they went through a couple of different formulations. We had a lengthening and we also had a volumizing, and they were both pretty natural. I mean, they added definition, but very, very natural. So this is a combo of both volumizing, lengthening, and lifting. As a makeup artist, I've been in this industry for over 20 years, and every line that I've ever worked for, or most brands, have different types of mascara. If you've noticed that before, there's volumizing, there's lengthening, there's curling, there's this, there's that, there's waterproof. So just take that into consideration whenever you try any new mascara, because we all have different needs. There really isn't a one size fits all, although I feel like for me, because I have lashes that grow straight down, they're short, they're sparse, I'm looking for a combination of it all. But those of you that have the beautiful long lashes that want a little bit of that natural length or something simple, you just have to try out mascaras. That is the thing about mascaras, right? We're always looking for that perfect one. So I always just like to talk about that first, because this is a combo of both lengthening, volumizing, and lifting. So I'm going to do a little demo so you can actually see before. So I have nothing on besides my makeup, just a foundation, concealer, powder, blush, lip gloss, all the things. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so let's just talk about the packaging really quick. Okay, let's just get this out of the way. I know what it looks like. It's not what you think. And if you're looking for that, you need to go to a different channel. Okay, that's out of the way. But let's talk about the packaging. Actually, it's made up of 31% post-consumer recyclable material. So it's getting that second life, which is always something that Beautycounter is striving for. Hopefully 100% at some point, but sustainability is a huge piece of what we do. Especially when we're creating products, we really want to keep that in mind. Okay, so let's talk about the wand. It is a molded wand. I don't know if you're going to really be able to see that, but it's a very flexible wand. So when you're really getting to the lashes, you can really start from the root and brush it up through. So, okay, I'm just gonna apply it. So go ahead and look now, see? Okay, nothing. Again, short, sparse, not great. I always recommend curling your lashes prior. I love Shuamura's. It's my favorite. Shuamura, I'll put that link in below. But I also like Kevin O'Quan's as well. I kind of go between both of them, but I always end up going back to Shuamura. So I've already curled my lashes. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply. Let me see, I might just hold this, it'll be easier. So you can already see a huge difference after just a couple of applications. And it is black. It also has tripeptides in there, so that's going to really help with like the lash health and keeping them really strong. We don't use any carbon black. We don't use any BHT, no petroleum-based anything. Really clean ingredients, especially around your eyes. So check that out. Okay, so pro tip, and this is for any non-waterproof mascara. You want to make sure that you're not using something that's super emollient underneath your eyes, even up on your eyelids. So if you're using a really emollient concealer, make sure that you're using some kind of mattifying loose powder to set it, both underneath your eyes and on the top of your lid as well. And then if you use an eye cream, make sure you're not using like your heavy nighttime eye cream. Don't bring it up to the lash line You shouldn't be doing that anyway. Just make sure you're using it lightly. You just want to set everything because again, it's not waterproof. It's smudge proof, but it's not waterproof. Very, very long wearing. I've had this for about 3 weeks now and I've really played with different ways of using it. I've been able to apply it and build on it, reapply it throughout the day. So I'm going to go ahead and just do the bottom lashes and I'm going to do another coat on the other side as well. Okay, so here are the results after a few coats of mascara, if you can tell. Probably not the perfect model for the mascara lashes action just because they're so short and sparse, but maybe I am because you can really see a difference. So this formulation is smudge proof. It's very long wear, so I definitely recommend using a cleansing balm along with an eye makeup remover or an eye makeup remover, whatever your favorite is. I would use that to take this off just because it is very long wear, that true black pigment. Yes. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you learned all you could about the Think Big Mascara from Beautycounter. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me or comment below. And if you don't already have a Beautycounter consultant, I would love to help you. Just know, as a client of mine, one of the perks is being able to reach out to me, having access to my email about clean beauty, just in general, other products, not just Beautycounter. I'm here to help. And if we're not friends on social media already, come find me on Instagram at Goodness Greenish, as well as on Facebook at Goodness Greenish. And please subscribe if you liked what you watched. So, okay, thanks again. Have a beautiful day and see you next time.